Directional terms of the body are used to describe the position of one structure to another. Anterior is used to describe a position of a structure towards the front of the body or a structure. Posterior is the opposite of anterior and refers to a position of a structure towards the back of the body or a structure. In describing the hand, the terms palmar and dorsal is used in place of anterior and posterior. In describing the foot, the terms plantar and dorsal surface are used instead of lower and upper surfaces. The directional term superior means above, higher up, or towards the head. The term inferior means below, lower down, or towards the feet. Medial and lateral terms are relative to the midline or center of the body. Medial indicates the structures are situated towards the midline of the body. Lateral indicates the structures are situated away from the midline of the body. Proximal and distal terms are relative to the point of attachment of the limb to the trunk. Proximal, towards the point of attachment to the trunk. Distal is away from the point of attachment to the trunk. Superficial and deep terms are relative to the distance from the surface. Superficial structures are towards the surface, that is the skin. Deep structures are away from the surface. Cranial and caudal terms are relative to the head or tail of the embryo. Cranial is at the head end, and caudal is at the rear or tail end. Dorsal and ventral terms are relative to the embryo. Ventral refers to the front or belly side of the embryo, where the umbilical cord develops. It is analogous to anterior, except in case of lower limb where posterior is referred as ventral. The lighter skin color is ventral. Dorsal refers to the back or upper surface of the embryo, where the neural tube develops. This side is analogous to posterior side, except in case of lower limb where anterior is referred as dorsal. The darker skin tone is dorsal. Unilateral and bilateral terms are essential for accurately describing the location of anatomical structures, conditions, injuries, or movements. Unilateral means one-sided, referring to structures or conditions present only on one side of the body, like the spleen and stomach. Bilateral are paired structures present on both sides, right and left, like kidneys and the lungs. Ipsilateral and contralateral are terms used to describe the relative location or effect of structures, actions, or conditions with respect to the midline of the body or a point of reference. Ipsilateral refers to something located or occurring on the same side of the body as another structure or point of reference. For example, the left arm and left leg are ipsilateral to each other. Contralateral refers to something located or occurring on the opposite side of the body. For example, the right arm is contralateral to the left arm.